Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix unable to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Now the reason you are not able to uninstall Epic Games Launcher, it's because it's running in your background. Right now, I think my Epic game is closed, but no, it's actually running in my background. So what you guys need to do is, easiest way which I will suggest you to is just restart your PC and uninstall. But let's say sometimes even restarting doesn't fixes the issue. So if you have restarted your PC and tried to uninstall Epic Games Launcher and it still did not, then in that case just click on this arrow at the bottom of your screen. You will see Epic Games logo. Just right click on it, click on exit. Once you do that, it'll stop Epic Games from running in your background and you can now try to uninstall Epic Games. It'll work. And if it still did not work, then you can just right click on this arrow and click on Task Manager. And remember, if you don't see Task Manager over here, you can always just search for Task Manager over here as well. And you will see Epic Games over here. If you see Epic Games over here, right click on Epic Games and click on End Task. Once you click on End Task, it'll stop Epic Games from running in your background as well. So as you guys can see, it's running in my background. I can right click on it, click on End Task, and it will be removed, which means it will stop running in my background. Once it stops running in my background, I can go on Control Panel. Once I go on Control Panel, I can click on Uninstall a program. From over here, double click on Epic Games Launcher, click on Yes, and it will be uninstalled. That's how we guys can fix this issue of unable to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.